How to clean the device. Here is how you clean a Peel-A-Ton. Spray the device with water from the top of the machine. Never submerge the device underwater or expose the bottom to water. After spraying the device with water, wipe it down with a dry cloth to get rid of any moisture. Please never soak the device underwater. Remove the holding prongs and the arm and clean after each use. How to remove the parts. To assemble the parts, just follow these steps backwards. The first step is to remove the holding prong. Pull out the C-clip by pushing it out from the other side and making it easier to grip. We will now remove the arm. Spin the arm 90 degrees clockwise. Remove the spring hook from the arm. Pull out the arm from above. To remove the blade, turn the retaining screw counterclockwise, but do not remove the screw entirely. Remove the spring coupling by disengaging the C-clip from the drive shaft. The C-clip can be removed by pushing the C-clip opposite from the side it was inserted on. We hope you enjoyed the video and that everyone can now start to beautifully and economically peel fruits and vegetables using the Peel-A-Ton.